If you want to enable developer options on your Google Pixel 10a, first simply go in your settings, then swipe pretty much all the way down where you see About Phone section. Click on it and then swipe all the way down till you see build number. We have to click this 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If you have pin code, it asks for pin code, so enter that and you see you are a developer. Then to access the developer options, so this phone is running the newest Android 17 beta version. So if you have the Android 16 still, if you scroll all the way down, it should appear here. But on the new Android, so we have to go in the system settings over here. And if you go over here, you see you have the developer options here. And then for the USB debugging, so you see you have it here. So make sure to enable it here. Okay, I see you have all the other things here. If you want to get rid of it, so you can also like disable it and then it goes back. So you see it disappears from here. Okay, good luck.